Here it is, 06 F-250 Power Stroke diesel. It's got a new battery. This vehicle has not been detailed yet. Runs like a top, man. 2 brand new batteries. Got a little bedside damage on it. Not a big deal. That's something that could be pulled out. It's got a hitch. Bed liner. It is a long bed. A lot of truck for the money here, guys. Let's take it for a spin. What do you say, Ralph? All right, get up in this pig, baby. Give her a run. Turn the air on. Oh yeah, feel that air blow cold, baby. Feel it. I call this our virtual demo ride. See if this bitch will run, burn rubber. There we go. Look at her go. She's a beast. Window a little bit here. Now, I say we burn out through the gravel here, guys. What do you think? Let's hit it. Here we go. She runs good, man. Nice vehicle. Power Stroke diesel. It's got 169 on it. Right there, 169,935. Ice cold air, I can feel it blowing. It's got a nice back seat in it. This thing just needs a bath and a new owner. It's kind of nice because it does have the vinyl seating in it. So if you go to the lake or the river or in the mud even down at your Redneck Yacht Club with your new tires and your lift kit after you get it all dolled up, you're gonna have some fun with this thing. Oh, she got a new part back here. What's this? Oh, looks like some sort of stabilizer bar or something. Brand new. Yeah, that's getting ready to get put on, I'm guessing. Now, this is one thing about Ford I love. They are built Ford tough. Come on down to Approved Auto Outlet, right next to the flea market. My name's Eric Dice. Come ask for me. See ya.